Hey everyone, come on in. I want to show you my next project. This is my 1966 CJ5 Tuxedo Park. I've owned this Jeep since 1976, and I tore it apart back in 1977. It's been stored back in the corner of this garage for years and years, and this is my next project. I want to take this out of storage, start doing the restoration. Now I need to get it out of the corner, get it over into the main section of the bay of the little garage. In order to do this, I need to move my wife's MG over into the corner, and then I can get this in the main garage where I can start working on it again. So I need to move a lot of stuff around. Over the years, this tub has become a great place to store anything. It's like a big storage box. Well, I need to take some stuff off the tub, get it moved around so that I can have access to it. So I got a lot of stuff that I need to take off the top, stuff that's been piled up here for 30 years. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to take you through that. I'm going to show you as I clean this garage out and move things around. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you the story of the Jeep, tell you how I came to have it, tell you how I dated my wife in it, and show you some photos of the Jeep being torn down back in 1977. So stick around, watch the video, and I'll show you how this gets done.